You can skip the chimney and forget about smoke, smell, or ash. You get 6 flame heights, remote control, and these stunning logs that stay looking perfect forever because they never actually burn out. So, where can you install it? Thanks to our BEV technology, you are no longer limited. You can put it anywhere, like in hotels, high-rise apartments, luxury villas, or even under the TV. If you design interiors with fire, this is the solution you need.